Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Gemini, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright Gems, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Gemini, if you're new here, of course we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Another tower. Libra had 2 towers and now Gemini, you have a tower as well. Okay, so this seems like a good tower. Not that bad. King of Swords, center of my spread. Somebody really wants to talk now and clear the air. They are manifesting. They've made a decision now. They've made a decision. They want to open up. Yes, they don't want to be silent anymore. They want to reveal what's in their heart. I think there's been some toxicity in this connection. Maybe somebody realized this connection was getting too toxic and this connection may have undergone a huge drastic change, right? Maybe because of third parties which became too much. This has been burdening this King of Swords. I think they are manifesting some communication or clearing the air. They have made a decision. They are no longer in 2 minds, but there is still some stagnation here. So let's see, let's clarify these cards. But before that, Gemini, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be first, okay? So Gemini and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Gemini and their person, thank you. I'm going to take a few more Gemini from another deck. Gemini and their person. Gemini and their person. Okay. And Gemini, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right. Good to go, Gems. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, you're holding us back because of your own self-worth issues and inability to forgive yourself. I've forgiven you. Would you just forgive yourself already? And let's live our life together, free from the past. No one is perfect. I try to detach and let go, and then I get flooded with telepathy, dreams, and your strong sexual energy which takes me over. Damn it. Why do you try and downplay our connection? Even when you know the importance it holds, you know who we are to each other, why do you try and dismiss it? It really cuts deep, like a knife to the heart. I think of you before I sleep, I dream of you all night, and I wake up to think of you again. When I'm feeling low, I close my eyes and I can feel your presence comforting me. I'm so grateful for our mystical connection. I don't want to live without you in my life anymore. You're all I think about, and I'm haunted by your presence. I long to be with you. You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. I want to hold you and never let go. Let's get away together and disconnect from the world. Alright, Gems, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first. Then we'll do the clarification, okay? So my angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Optimism. Somebody still has that optimism. They are still manifesting that maybe, now that I've made my decision, maybe, we can open up once again, have this communication, and get out of this hermit mode that both of us are in. Let's see. Okay, so Spirit, the Devil in reverse and the Tower, what's that? Devil in reverse. Yeah, somebody made a judgment call. They passed judgment on their partner and said, I don't want to have another beginning with you. I'm not going to give you a second chance. They were emotionally, I think, very unfulfilled. There was deep sadness because maybe that person in the past was not emotionally opening up to them. And they felt, well, I'm always going to be by myself, always going to be alone and like lonely in a connection, then I might as well let it go and not think about this connection again. And yes, this tower could have just blown apart. Yeah, I think this King of Swords in the past was ready to flirt and ready to be all romantic and everything, but they were emotionally closed off. They were not opening up emotionally. They were never offering any kind of cup to their person, any emotions to their person, but keeping it light and fluffy and romantic and maybe flirting. But the real emotions they either they never showed, or they could have been maybe emotionally manipulating their person, because there could have been a third party situation in the past and this connection could have halted because of that was the tower moment. Maybe that person wanted them to choose, like, choose one. I mean, you can't keep me as an option, right? And because maybe because somebody found out some information. There could have been some communication about it, and this King of Swords could have been head over heart, and they could have been a little cold, and things started going in a wrong direction here. So, Three of Cups, Spirit, what was happening here? Three of Cups. Yeah, somebody lost their motivation. Even though they saw this person as the kind of person they would have liked in their life, they could envision a happily ever after, they could have respected their person, but after they found out whatever they found out, things went a totally opposite direction. This dream of this passionate new beginning crashed, I think. So 10 of Wands, Spirit. Yes, now I think a lot of delay has happened. Both are holding back, or at least one person is holding back. This connection seems to have backfired totally after whatever was revealed. But somebody does want to end this conflict now. They want to end this fighting. They want to talk. They want to clear the air. They want to open up. They don't want to hold back anymore. They are maybe at a distance, I don't know, but they are planning, they are thinking, they are wondering, and meanwhile manifesting how to remove this toxicity which has come into this connection now. I think they've already made their decision now. Yeah, they are understanding why this imbalance happened, and they've made their decision. They do want commitment now, they do want to work on this connection, but at the moment things are very, very slow. There is some kind of blockage, maybe blockage in communication or coming together. There is something which is blocking this connection even now. Hermit in reverse, Hermit in reverse, Hermit in reverse, and the High Priestess in reverse. Wow. Okay, so somebody feels they've lost their power. Somebody feels they've lost their power because they made some very unwise, foolish mistakes. And they're going through a bit of depression. After maybe things came out in the open, there's somebody who's feeling very guilty. And because of that, they feel that whatever happened in the past, now my person will never agree. They may not, because they're not seeing any loving, nurturing coming from their person anyway. There is a lot of love they feel even now. They still feel a lot of love for their person, but they feel that this Queen of Cups has now shut down, or is not giving them any love, is not offering them any loving, nurturing. They feel they made a very unwise decision regarding this Queen. And but why is there no communication then, Spirit? Still, they're feeling a bit left out in the cold. They're feeling a little left out in the cold. They feel this queen has now taken off on a new direction, has totally stagnated things with them, is very happy without them, enjoying their life without them, and it's making them feel a little insecure and a little left behind, right? There is guilt here. There is guilt here, even though somebody now has made the choice. They know who they want and they want to talk, they don't want to hold back. Somewhere they feel that person has already kind of glowed up and is having a good time, enjoying their own life, and their own guilt and depression is what is the stagnation at the moment, nothing else. Okay, but secretly they still have that optimism that if I can have a face-to-face communication and open up, maybe my person will open up as well. Okay, so somebody does want to reveal what's really in their heart now and heal this connection. Okay, so that's all I have for you, gems. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.